Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. Today I'm gonna be making a very delicious cake. Cause you know that moment when you're home alone and you're hungry? That happens to me a lot. But it doesn't last long because I make this super easy cake. It doesn't need supervision. Okay, to start off, we're gonna get a bowl and a spoon. Put it here, it's a normal spoon. That's a big spoon, not a teaspoon. And 4 spoons of flour. Okay, and then 4. After I put 4, we need to get next sugar. Make sure it's sugar, it's nothing else. Then open it. Make sure there's sugar inside. Then just normally put 3 spoons of sugar inside. Okay, you need to get your spoon. Look inside. Make sure it's a good spoon. A good big handful spoon. Okay, here it is. Yeah. Oh, that's good. It's sugar. Okay. Close the sugar. Put it away. Now get the chocolate powder because it's a chocolate cake. Now, get the top off. Oh my god, it's so hard. Yay. Okay, make sure it's chocolate powder. Then, look inside. Get 2 spoons. So like this, we went 4 spoons of flour, 3 sugar, 2 chocolate powder. Okay, put the chocolate powder back in, and to its place. Yay. Then salt. Wait. Oops, too much salt. Just like one little spray. Anyways, coming up next will be baking powder. Half a spoon of baking powder. Yay. Oh my gosh, it's too hard. Let me just use my magical powers. Yep. And it's done. Then put 1/4 spoon of vanilla. It's mini bottles. And it's very hard to open. But I can open it with one hand. Okay, I'm making a whole cake with one hand. So, yay! Okay. Still safe. Magical powers. Yay. That's what I like. Put a 1/4 spoon. Yep. That's probably 1/4 spoon. And no, that's less. Let's put some more. Yay. Boom. I place some more. Put in. Hey, give me my magical power. I need one more thing. My magical weapon. Where do I spawn it? Spawn it in. Yeah. Okay. I'm too lazy to stir. So maybe my magical powers could help with what the hell? I just normally stir because not everything needs magical powers. We could save our magical powers for later. Yay. You just keep stirring, Anyways, after we're done with stirring, put some more stirring in it because this needs hard work. Not really. Okay, then put 3 spoons of oil. Okay, this may need some help. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Then 4 spoons of milk. Then we went 3, then 4. Okay. 4 spoons of milk coming up right next. Okay. When we're done, we will not use our spoon anymore, so you might go here. Keep her. Anyways, next. Wait a minute. I don't want to put this here. Yeah. Okay, disappeared. Anyways, coming up next is a very hard thing to do while one-handed. So, let me place the camera. I didn't know where to place it. I'm gonna assign a cameraman. Cameraman seems better. Okay, cameraman. Next up, we stir. Stir and stir until it becomes like liquid. Not really like liquid, but stirring. Make sure you make it all. Then you get 1 egg. It's a pretty great egg. Crack it in. Oops, that's a bad crack. Crack it in. Then okay, then I will eat it in a basket. Okay, make sure you wash your hands. Pause. Then smash the egg. Eat. Stirring. Okay. Stir it good. Then our next ingredient is actually your choice. Just stir a little bit more. This is your choice. You could put it in the microwave from now, but I rather put some chocolate chips. Okay. Eat. Okay, chocolate chips. Then stir. Keep stirring. Then let everything fall down. Okay. Okay, then when you're done, put chocolate. Okay. Then when you're done, you get it aside. Then open your microwave. Okay. You'll start putting it inside for 2 minutes and 30 seconds and press the magical button.
And while he's waiting,
Kick dance! Kick dance! Kick dance! 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 Dance!
there's like 30 seconds left.
Let's go! Oh! Stop! Oh yeah! Okay, let's do it! And for the taste test, it's good. See you guys in another video.